Okay. So this is my tank. Okay, this is my tank. This is my reservoir. Alright, underneath it, this is my reservoir. From this reservoir through this pump, the water will be made to flow inside the tank. And there is a control valve here. Okay, this control valve is manual controlled. Okay, and then from the tank, the water will be let out via another valve that is also manually controlled. By gravity, this water flows out. Okay, so we need to control the level of the water inside the tank. All right. So in order to do that, we are designing a control system. This whole portion that I am circling, that will be your control system. And here you are having an LT. Okay. LT is called as level transmitter. Okay. So what it will do is, it will check out what is the pressure difference inside the tank. Okay. Pressure difference inside the tank. That is the water pressure difference, that will be converted into an equivalent electrical signal. Okay, this you must have studied in measurement and instrumentation, no? Sensor and one more thing, sensor and transducer. Have you studied? What do you mean by transducer? Transducer.
Which
What do you mean by
transform
transducer?
physical signal to electrical signals.
Okay, so what physical signal is measured here, sensed
Water
here?
level.
Yes, water level. Directly it is not sensed. The pressure difference because of the presence of the water is sensed by this level transmitter, and then it will be converted into an equivalent electrical signal. Okay, so pressure difference is converted into equivalent electrical signal. So depending upon the level, okay, here one tabular column is given. The level maximum height is specified to be how much meter? The overall tank height is 1.25 meter, but the presence of the water inside the tank is between what to range? The minimum level of height is zero point 0.2 meter, maximum level of height is zero point 0.8 meter. So this level difference will be converted into pressure difference, and that pressure is converted into what? I have blocked, no? This is the indication, or this is a specification of the level transmitter. So depending upon the pressure difference that is caused due to the water level inside the tank, it is being converted into an equivalent electrical signal. That equivalent electrical signal is current or voltage. And what is the range? Come on, what is the range?
4 milliampere to 20
4
milliampere.
milliampere to 20 milliampere. Okay,
Four.
so the input in bar or whatever may be, this is pressure 0 to 100 bar in water level will be converted to electrical signal, that is current 4 to 20 milliampere. Okay, that is the work of what component in the control design? What component is this indicating? What component?
Differential pressure transfer.
That is level transmitter, LT. Okay, then that signal will be fed back. Okay, the level is sensed by this level transmitter, and it is fed back to the error detector. Okay, are you able to see the control? Okay, the level is sensed by means of the level transmitter. The pressure difference because of the water's presence will be converted into an equivalent electrical signal, and it will be fed to the error detector. And the control elements are nothing but the valve arrangement. Okay, there is a valve arrangement, control valve is there. I think all are able to see there is a control valve there. Okay, and this level transmitter, whatever may be the signal, electrical signal, that will be fed to the level controller. And suppose if you want to set the tank level at zero point 0.9 or something, okay, then you will give that set point to be zero point 0.9. Here you will be setting zero point 0.9. I want the level of the water inside the tank to be zero point 0.9. So that will be the set point. The actual value, if it is very low, okay, then I have to pump extra water from the reservoir. Okay, so the actual level, if you assume it is zero point 0.6, okay, and if the set point is zero point 0.9, okay, that difference will be decided by the level controller, and then again it will be converted to the pressure. Okay, that pressure will be conveyed to the control valve, and it will be open. Okay, and it will open, sucking out more water from the reservoir. Okay, then it will be filled into the tank. Understood the procedure of control? Have you understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Only
Yes,
one
ma'am.
yes, only one yes I am hearing. Shall I ask somebody to explain the process of height control inside the tank? Wait, let me ask somebody. Chandan, Chandan, Chandan. I think Chandan is missing. Pratik Dubey. Pratik. I think Pratik Dubey also is missing. Shubham Sahu. Yeah, if I
I'm
ask a
present,
question,
ma'am.
your mic will never work, Chandan. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Shubham Sahu, tell me whatever you understood from this tank level control. What did you understand?
Ma'am,
Whatever you have learned from whatever things I have taught you, just tell me in some words.
ma'am,
Every time I ask you question, your answer will be ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. As if I am the answer for every query. Subhashish, Subhashish, Sumit Gautam, all those who are not responding to me, I am going to mark you absent for this lab session. I am shouting from one side like a mad person. I don't want to happen that to happen. This is a lab class. This is a little bit complicated experiment. This is out of the focus of electrical engineering. Subhashish, Sumit, then Pratik Dubey, all of you, I am going to mark you absent. I think you are okay with it. Okay, Savik Bansar, are you there? Simply inserting the mic and going off. Okay. Somebody else, please tell me how does the process work? Come on, others, what have you learned from whatever I have told you?
Ma'am, I'm there, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm Souvik, ma'am, I'm there.
You be there without taking anything in your mind. What is the use?
Ma'am, I was there, ma'am. My network is
Tell me
not
what
working
did I
properly.
teach you? Okay, tell me what did I teach you?
Ma'am, I got disconnected 4 times. You can
Now
check.
you are connected, no? Tell me what did you learn out? You are able to speak also. What is the title of the experiment? At least you tell me. Come on, Raj Lalwani, tell me what did you learn in this experiment, man? What is the process and what are you going to do? Raj Lalwani. So none of you are present, so I can remove you if you are not able to respond. I'll remove you from the meeting. Is it okay for you? Tell me what did I?
Ma'am,
Yeah, yeah.
telling.
Hello, 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 hello. I can hear. But what did I teach you? Tell me rather than
Yes,
helloing me.
ma'am, yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, telling, ma'am. Network error. Ma'am, that water level in the control system and the stimulator, ma'am, you told that the PID controllers in open tanks, we check the water level in the control system through these controllers, and the water flows from the tank by the gravity flow tank one is there now, and
Okay.
in the
Okay, Raj.
piping
Enough.
Ma'am,
instrumentation
root
that is
local subject
shown.
transfer function.
Okay, ma. Enough. Okay. So now Pratik and whoever not responded to me, I am going to remove you all from my meeting. Okay. One time warning I have given. Let this be the warning for you people. Still people are not answering. Then it's better that I disconnect you from the meet. Sumit Gautam also. Subhashish.
Hello, ma'am. I'm there, ma'am.
Yeah, be there. Without understanding anything, be there. What is the
Ma'am,
use?
I'm telling, ma'am, telling. Ma'am, the water level control system is a simulator is at a water level control system using PID controller in an open tank.
What about Sumit Gautam? What are you going to do in this experiment, man? Sumit Gautam. Okay, we'll move on to that experiment. Okay, so now the control design again I am telling you. Okay, this is the controller that I am circling. The level of the tank in terms of pressure difference will be sensed by this level transmitter. It will be converted into an equivalent electrical signal, and that electrical signal will be conveyed to level controller. This will be acting like a error detector. Suppose if the present value of level in the tank is 0.7, and if you want it to set it back to 0.8, then that set point will be 0.8 here. So the difference will be given to this IP, and then it will be converted into pressure, and that pressure will be either opening this control valve, sucking out the water from the reservoir back into the tank so that the set level is obtained. Okay, that is what we are going to design, and this block diagram only we are going to do in Simulink. Okay, this one. So what is the input and what is the output that you are going to set here? Set point is what and output is what? Oh, and what is your input and what is the output for the tank? There is another block diagram that is
RT
given
and
here.
FT.
Q in represents what here?
and
That
flow
is
rate.
flow rate inside the tank, water flow. And output is what? The level of the water that is maintained inside the tank. So H represents your level, and Q in, Q out and all represents your water flow input and water flow output rate. Okay, and the tank dimensions are all given here in this big tabular column. Okay, and you just learn out what is A, small a and all. Q in is water flow level rate inside. Q out means water flow level rate outside. A is the tank area. Okay, A, capital A is tank area. H you know that is a level inside the tank. Okay, small a means this diagram is there, no? Small a means that valve opening. Okay, valve opening, that area is represented by small a. H represents level of the water inside the tank. Q out is water flow output rate. Q in is water flow in rate. And what is G? You know what is G? Generally you must have learnt what is G in your physics class, and also what is G?
Acceleration due to
Gravity.
gravity.
Acceleration to gravity. What is the value for that? 9.81.
9.8.
Okay,
9.8.
9.81. 81. Okay, so what is small a? Small a is, what is small a and
Area.
what is
Area.
capital A?
Area.
Both are
Area.
area only. Capital A means what? Capital A is the entire tank area. Small a means this small opening
Area
is
of the
there, no,
outlet.
through which
Output water
outlet.
flow.
Okay, output outlet, pipe outlet. Okay. And for this system, they have derived the transfer function by writing some Bernoulli's equation and all. Okay, these equations I will tell you later. Okay, but the transfer function alone they have given. Open loop transfer function is given by this equation. Okay, this numerator they have considered it as k, and this term they have considered as tau, and they have written the transfer function of this particular system. Okay. Now they have simulated the same process in two ways. This is your water flow input. Okay, output I think level rate. Okay, you have to simulate this diagram. This is 2GH. Okay, square root of 2GH you have seen, no? A into 2GH. Are you able to see? What is the formula for Q in? Here you are having Q out, no? Are you able to see the equation that I am showing? Q out means what?
Root 2GH. Area into root
Yes, the
2GH.
formula is A into square root of 2GH. But what does it represent? Q out. You can refer to this diagram. Q out means water flow
Flow of rate
output
Outlet
rate.
of the
outside the
water.
A
outlet.
is this valve opening area. G is acceleration due to gravity. H is the
Rate of
water
flow.
level inside the tank. Okay, that part only is indicated here. This is small a. Okay, 7.96 into 10 to the power minus 5 is small a, the area of the valve opening area, and this is square root of 2 into 9.81. U is the level. U is considered to be 1.2 here. You can change the value if you want. Okay, so this whole thing is representing Q out. Okay, this is representing my Q out that is being given as an input. Okay, now this 1 by A represents what? Capital A represents what?
Area of the inlet.
Area of the tank, total area of the tank. Okay, I think there must be some more equations regarding that.
Ma'am, how can there be an area of a tank? It should be volume or surface area.
Area of the tank is capital A they have given.
That should be inlet, ma'am. Area of the
What in
inlet.
there?
Surface area.
Surface area of the level from which the water will go inside.
Surface area of what?
Of the tank.
What is the
Upper
formula for
surface area.
surface area? 2 pi r
Two
circumference.
pi r is the circumference, ma'am. That would be the surface area of the. That will make
R
the
Okay,
floor area.
square.
anyway, area, surface area, what is the difference? You tell me. If it is of circular shape, means it will be given by 2 pi r only, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then what?
Oh, ma'am, circular, it is pi r square, ma'am,
Pi
sorry.
r square
Pi
is
r squared is also equivalent to 2 pi, I think pi d.
Ma'am, 2
Okay,
pi r
pi
is the
d, pi r
circular and
squared.
Out surface area is
Circumference is
2
2
pi
pi r.
RH.
Okay, okay, okay,
2
okay.
pi RH.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. But here in this experiment, they have given capital A to be area only somewhere. Okay, A is area of the meters tank in meter squared only they have specified. Okay, here by this equation. Okay, in that tank only the water is filled. No, I think it will be area of the tank only in meter squared. Okay,
area of circle, ma'am.
all right. So I think there will be one by S term. One by S term, I am not able to find it somewhere. I don't know why they use that 1 by S. I think dH by dt, in order to find that, they have used that expression. Okay,
Ma'am,
this
I think they
equation,
have used surface
I
area and
think
then
this,
integrated it
okay,
to
okay,
find
wait,
output.
this expression, no, this expression they have used here. I think A into square root of 2GH is the that feedback element that is sensed from the output side. So Q in is the input rate, flow rate, and that they have equated to A into dH by dt, I think so. So this dH by dt, if you are taking integration, what will happen? It will be equivalent to the height. Okay. So this equation only they have represented in that block diagram, I guess so. Okay. Alright, here A dH by dt is Q out. Q out represents my water flow output rate. Q in is water flow input rate. So this equation only they have represented in the block diagram, I guess so. Okay. I think so. Okay, by this block diagram. Alright. So this portion is A into square root of 2GH. Okay. And this portion is that A into dH by dt. This integrator is meant to take that dH by dt out, I think so. This is your Q in. Q in minus this 2 GH square root A is indicated here, and that is equivalent to A into dH by dt. I think they have represented it here. Alright. So that equation only they have represented in the form of this Simulink diagram. And this diagram only you have to do in Simulink, and you have to obtain these two graphs. Okay, flow rate, the input flow rate, they have set it as I think 3 into 10 to the power minus 4, I think 0.3 or something. And the level output is 0.8 they have set. Maximum level in output, I think so. Okay. This is a stepped input that should be set at 0.0003154 meter cube per second. Okay, try to simulate this first in your MATLAB Simulink diagram. Are you going to do
Ma'am,
this
it's not
diagram?
coming like that.
Which is not
The
coming like
output,
that?
the output,
You have
ma'am.
tried, huh? You have tried?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Huh? But madam told that she got the output answer. Will you be able to present?
Ma'am,
I'll check
yes,
it
ma'am.
out.
Okay, ma'am. I'm presenting.
Flow rate. I think first figure shows your input. That should be set around point not 3154, and accordingly the level is adjusted back to point 0.8. I think so. So del x is representing your input and del y is representing output.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Wait, I will check that. Yeah, now only representing it. So all the others also try this block diagram in your Simulink. This one that I am showing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this one.
Open it and check. Let me check. Akshat,
Ma'am. Mm,
what is the step input that you have given?
uh,
That is a flow rate. You adjust that to point 314. That is not 1.2. U value is 1.2. Check out whether that is point 314. I think point 3 zeros after decimal point.
yes, ma'am. Point not 315.
You put that. All the others also, please try it out. The first Simulink diagram.
Ma'am, how to get this that
How
the
to get
square
what?
root?
It is a
Square root.
step.
Square SQRT you type.
Yes, ma'am. Great.
Ma'am, the second
What
graph
is
is
this
not.
one? First graph you show. I think time you have to set it around 1500. Then only you will get the full graph. I think. See to the model graph. Or INF you give 1500 is the stop time. Just a simulation stop time.
Simulation stop time, ma'am.
Yeah.
Time 10 only I have given.
You give it to be INF infinity.
Infinity. Okay.
Yeah, INF. That way it is better. Or otherwise give around 2000. Other things you have
Other.
given correct.
Yes, ma'am. You can see.
Show the output now.
20.4. This is same. This.
Okay, show the scope. Let me check. U value have you given 1.2? Don't keep it as U. 1.2.
Which one,
Then
ma'am?
how will it learn? That square SQRT2 into 9.8 into U you have put. No, it will not understand what is U. You give it to be
Okay.
1.2. The rest also, whatever things he is doing, you do. And make corrections if you're not understanding.
Ma'am, run time should be how much? Infinity.
Hey, INF you give, no problem. See, f of u is user defined function. Okay. Is it run? That
Ma'am, it's still running.
arrow mark symbol is there. No, you put it to the other option. On the top toolbar. No, same scope only. Open the scope.
Scope. Okay.
On the top, there is one arrow mark, square arrow mark. No, next one. No, in the next one. Next one. Next one, the zoom button. Next to the zoom button, one this thing is there. Next. In that
This.
you click drop down. Previous, not that one. Previous. Next to zoom. What is
Okay,
there?
ma'am.
You missed that.
Yeah.
Uh,
Got it, ma'am.
that you adjust to that second option. Third. Okay. Are you able to see the waveform? I'm not able to see any waveform.
Ma'am, no waveform is coming because the time is infinity, so it keeps on compiling, ma'am.
It will be okay. Or otherwise, give 2000. I have seen infinity run waveforms. No problem. Otherwise, stop the simulation and give it 2000. Let me see. See that square root sqrt. You have to use user defined function. Others. This is input or output. You adjust the f scale from 0. I am not
Ma'am,
able to see anything.
this is coming.
Okay. This is 0 to 2000, huh?
Yes, ma'am, 2000 times
2000.
2000.
But in the graph, they have given a step. This is step input only. No, what is the detail? Again, you click the step input. Again, you click the step input. See, the first is step time. That should be 1. Initial value is 0. Final value only is 0.003,154. Fine, not 3154. Now you run. You save the file. Some mistake is there. What about the second
What
scope
is the step
opening?
value?
That first value you give it 0. Second one you give it 0. Third one you give it 1. Well, step time also you can change to 0. But still you won't get the correct answer, I think so.
Yes,
Give
ma'am, it's
0.
not.
Step time you give 0. Then also it's dipping. Some problem is there. Save and run. You have given 20.4,
Ma'am, how
1
can
by
we get
A.
value?
How can you give what value?
What, ma'am?
1 by A, what did you give?
Square root value, how do we?
User defined function. You have to pick user defined function. I have not opened MATLAB also.
Ma'am, it's coming
What is
same
the
only even after.
what is the value of 1 by A you have given? Okay. What is the valve opening area you have given? 7.96 10 to the power minus 5. Okay. Then what is the square root? You open that SQRT.
Akshat, can you please show me the
That is user defined
square root?
function. User defined function.
Just
I
type
think.
function library and you'll get user
See,
defined.
and see, Akshay, you do one thing. That 1.2, you give it as u itself because it is representing the signal that is coming in. So change it back to u itself, not
Okay.
that one. F of u. Instead of 1.2, you give u itself. U itself. U is representing that input signal that is coming from output. It will automatically adjust.
Ye-
Now you save and run. Let me see.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's
Now
coming.
you got na. Second graph also you show. All the others also you check it out.
Yes, ma'am. This is also coming.
That is around 0 to you give. Axis parameter you adjust.
Which is this Akshat graph?
From 0 to even 3.2. That is the first graph only. Second graph, second scope you open. Level. Second scope. Second scope. Second scope. That is the input. Output you open. This is output. Okay, okay. Input also correct only. Okay. Like this people you do. Anybody else you have doubt means you ask me. The rest are you trying? Shall I ask everybody to present?
Ma'am,
Okay,
this
I will
one is
ask
coming
one
like
by one.
this, the other one.
Scope 2 earlier it was coming correct only. You showed me.
Yes, ma'am, that is
We,
two ways are given na, that we can do it in two ways. It is
the
given in
second one
experiment.
now. The second one,
Yeah, in
first
the
let me
second we
check with the first one with everybody. Okay, wait.
ma'am,
Wait, ma, wait. Let the others also finish. No, I don't know
sorry,
what people are doing.
sorry, ma'am.
Only you are responding. Others I don't know.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, Aniket, you open your system and show. Aniket,
1 minute. Yes, ma'am.
Aditi, Ajay,
1 minute.
be ready. Angraj, Aniket, Ankit Kumar, Anusha. In this order only I will ask. Be ready. Bharati, Chandan, Deepa Lakshmi. If people are not responding, I will remove them from the Google Meet today. Aniket, Aditi, Ajay Shekhawat,
Ma'am,
Angraj.
doing ma'am.
Yeah, do. When your turn comes, you should be ready to present.
Okay, ma'am.
First person that I will ask is A. Aniket. Next person is Aditi. Third person will be Ajay. Be ready to show me the output. In case you are having doubts, you ask me. The rest also be ready. In this order only I will ask Aniket, Aditi, Ajay, Angraj, Aniket Das, Ankit, Anusha, Bharati, Brinda, Chandan, Deepa Lakshmi, Deva, Hrithik, Bharadwaj, Muzaffar, Mohan, Mohit. Come on, get ready. Aniket, finished or not? In case if you are not able to present, I will remove you from the Google Meet and I will mark you absent as punishment.
Ma'am, within 2 minutes, ma'am. Just now my math lab and all.
What were you doing all this earlier with
Ma'am, from where will you get that SQRT?
that FCM, no FCN? You type FCN in the search box. User defined function FCN. The rest also, if you are having any doubts, you ask me now. See, Akshat, if you are opening, you open that toolbox and get the function now. It's taking a long time for my MATLAB to open. I have not opened it earlier. Will you do it? Akshat,
Yes, ma'am.
will you open that MATLAB and show them how to pick FCN blocks from the tool?
Yes, ma'am.
Libraries
Yes, ma'am.
also. All of you check it out. That is FCN. You give FCN in the search box, you will get.
I got it.
Got it, huh? All the others also, in case if you are having any doubts, you ask me. Only half an hour more. One more Simulink block diagram also you have to try it out.
Ma'am, how did we get that square root one from FCN?
FCN. That
Ma'am,
you have
in
to type SQRT to 9.81. You represent the signal input to it. So that is output. You present level height. FCN, you check it out others also. This block is new to you, so you should know how to pick it out. Give FCN. User defined function, that one. You can give any formula in that box, whichever way you want. U represents the input to it.
अक्षत पहले स्कोप का ग्राफ दिखाना.
No,
Just
FCN you give.
just type
Ma'am,
your
can you
function.
show SQRT again?
Yeah,
See,
I opened the MATLAB.
when you are
Let it
clicking on
work.
ma'am, should I stop displaying the screen?
Have you shown FCN? I am not able to see FCN block in your toolbox. You tell them where it is.
Okay, guys, just I hope I'm audible and my screen is visible. Just type
Yeah,
in
visible
function.
only.
Just type in function and search for it. The first option you will see is are multiple blocks defined as user defined function. Double
That
click
one
on
only
it.
you use.
Find the second block f of u, that is your function. drag it, and then
Otherwise, you give FCN. FCN if you give means you'll give.
yeah.
The rest also be ready. One more Simulink block diagram also you have to try it out.
Yeah,
अक्षत
if we type in FCN,
पहले
then also
स्कोप का ग्राफ
हाँ दिखाओ.
फर्स्ट
Yeah, two graphs. One flow rate you have to tell and level. This is your level and the first one is flow rate. That is a step input. Second block diagram also you try it out.
अक्षत can you please show how to change values in
Ma'am,
FCN
what's
and
the
Y
value in the
How
step,
to?
ma'am?
values in
Step
Step value.
first one is 0, okay? 0, stop. Step time is 0 you give. Initial value also 0 you give. Final value you give 0.00354. That is a flow rate. I think that is given in that table.
Yeah, this is the step value. And which one were you saying, Mohit?
How to insert that values in SQRT?
Just take in that function, okay? Just type in FCN in the library search.
Yeah.
So you'll get these, and here you will find one this option in which f of u is written. This one function. Drag it, and when you drag it, just rotate it first so that it will be aligned like this, and double click it and just write it SQRT 2 into 9.8 into u with like asterisks.
Okay.
U is that level, present level, okay? Whatever signal input that you are giving, generally it is represented as U.
Ma'am, graph is not coming, ma'am. Different graph.
What values I have to check it out. You present the screen. Let me check out what mistake you did. That way I will be able to help you.
Okay, ma'am. Visible, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah, you open one by one. Let me check out the values.
Yes. The step value.
That one value is 0, 0.031. That is correct. Next one, the remaining values. That is 20 point. That's also correct. Then next one. Okay, 10 to the power minus 5. Then that function block you open. This is Mohit screen only, no?
No, ma'am.
That 1.2 you give it you. 1.2 you give it you. 1.2 you give it you. That is a present level height. Asterisk. Okay, okay. Then you save and run, you'll get.
Shalabh, can you show the step again? Step value. Okay.
Yeah. Ma'am, how the system is defining the value for you, ma'am? You're not manually inputting.
The rest also, if you are having any doubts, now is the time to ask me.
Ma'am, how this system is defining the value for you?
U is what is the input signal that is coming into that block? One input is coming to that block, no? What input?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the input and what is output for that system? Level control. tank level control. Input is water flow input rate, output is level rate. So that level rate will be sensed and it will be given at the input side. Understood?
.003154.
That is the flow input rate. I think
Ma'am?
it's given in the table. Tell.
Ma'am, I'm getting these type of stuff.
What? Who is presenting that screen? You
Ma'am,
got the
that's you.
output, huh?
Pratyush.
That you 1.2 you change it to U. I think all are doing that mistake only.
The 1.2.
See that function block. You open that function block.
You see?
Open that function block. In that, what have you given? Read it out. 1.2
2
you change it to U. 1.2 you change it to U.
you and
That's all. You get out. Now you will get the output. Aniket, over.
Yes, ma'am. Over, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
So, the rest of you, if you have any problems in understanding, you ask me so that let us proceed to the next block diagram. Next Simulink. Aditi, you finished? Aditi?
Yes,
Ad-
ma'am.
You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ajay? Ajay, Angraj and all?
Yes, ma'am. 2 minutes more, ma'am.
Yes.
Angraj, Aniket Das,
Yes,
Ankit
ma'am.
Kumar,
Yes, ma'am, done.
Ankit Kumar,
I'm
Anusha,
not getting, ma'am.
Ma'am, just a second.
Ankit is not getting,
Ma'am,
you
Mohit,
Yes,
show.
ma'am.
ma'am.
Mohita, you open man, you present, then only I will be able to check. I told you what is the mistake that you did not. Did you correct it and get the output or not? Simulation stop time, you have to set it around 2000 or INF. Whose screen is this? Mohit screen, Show the screen. You are getting the output now, man. First output you got. Correct, no, Mohit? You got the output.
Ma'am, now
Mohit, you
only I
got the
changed,
output.
now then I got, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
Rest of you also. Anusha, anybody else is finding it difficult to simulate? Usho, Bharati, Brinda, Chandan. Chandan, are you there or not? For a long time I'm calling your name. What about Ankita and Anusha? Anusha is not responding.
Yes, ma'am.
You did,
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any doubts or something? Bharati and Brinda. Huh? Bharati, Brinda, no voice is coming from
Ma'am,
your side.
yes, completed.
Finished, You understood, புரிஞ்சிச்சா?
Yes, ma'am. புரிஞ்சது.
Brinda.
புரிஞ்சுச்சு, ma'am.
Sorry. Chandan, Deepa, Deva, Hitik and all. Finished, You understood? Chandan, I'm going to remove you from the meeting, man.
Yes, ma'am.
Deepa?
Almost over, ma'am.
Okay. Deepa and Deva, Bharadwaj, Muzaffar. I think Chandan, let me remove from the meet. That will be better. Pratyush and all finished. Mukul, Mohan Kumar, Purushottam, Prince,
Yes, ma'am, I got
Yes,
the
ma'am.
output.
Pushpesh,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Pushpesh,
ma'am.
Rahul.
Doing him.
Okay, Pushpesh, Rahul, Raj, Satvik, Sandamil, Shalab, Shivam, Shivanshu.
Ma'am, I'm having
Done,
any
ma'am.
problem in output.
If in case if you people are having any doubts, if you are not able to get the output, you should tell me now.
Yes, ma'am,
Ella?
having doubt.
No, ma'am.
And then you present the screen, no, let me check it out and we will finish off this lab class. One more block diagram is also there that I have to sort it out, no. The rest who completed, you try out the next block diagram. Lalvani is having some doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashok.
Ma'am, something is coming like this.
Okay,
And
that is correct only.
this.
The simulation time you adjust to 2000, I told you, no. Simulation stop time you have to adjust it to 2000. Simulation stop time,
Where
you
here?
adjust it to 2000. Yeah. 2000.
Okay. Yeah, I got.
You know you got others also. You got
Yes, ma'am. Got.
but it's
Yes,
coming a
Yes,
ma'am.
straight line.
ma'am.
Okay. The
Yes.
others, in case if you are having any doubts, you present screen, let me sort out the problem. Come on, only 20 more minutes are there. In case if you are having any doubts, now is the time to sort it out. Only 4 more days I will give you to complete this experiment. Ajay is having some doubt, You got the output or otherwise? Okay, you got. Those who got the output, no problem. In case if you are having any doubts, you present. Let me sort out the problem. The rest you finished, you try out the next block diagram also. I
Ma'am,
think
step
the
1 is
values are
the next
readily given.
diagram, ma'am.
Huh?
Step
What
1
shall
is the
up?
next diagram.
Next, all the things are given in the problem, I think so. Whatever values. Let me check out that one.
Hello, ma'am. Can you see it, ma'am?
Whose screen is this? Rahul
Hello,
Shah.
hello.
You got the
Ma'am,
output,
Vivek.
Rahul.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
me
Vivek.
only.
Yes, ma'am, Rahul, I got
Vivek.
the output.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Can you see
Vivek,
it,
you
ma'am?
got the output or not? Yeah, I am able to see.
No, I'm not getting. You see this
Not
one
getting.
first one
You
and second
adjust.
one.
You adjust the
Two,
simulation stop time to 2000.
ma'am, 2000 only. You can see there.
Okay, then save it and run. Let me see. You given correct values,
No, you see values. Is it
Okay,
correct?
correct only. Correct only.
Yeah,
Correct only.
20.4.
Correct only. I think
Yeah,
rest
ma'am.
are correct only. You save and run again. Let me see.
Vivek.
Mm-hmm.
Vivek, try giving that second gain in the bottom 7.96 into in bracket you give 10 to the power minus 5 and add a power guy.
Okay.
But he got half output. It was not telling that hard power guy, no.
Ma'am, before power
This
guy
this
my
this
straight
this whole in bracket, right?
10 into 10 to the power minus
10
5 in
into.
bracket.
I think those and all it's not necessary.
Yes, ma'am, it is okay only coming answer.
And power guy.
The rest you try the second block diagram, Simulink block diagram.
Done,
Second
ma'am.
one. Same two outputs you have to get for that also.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Ma'am,
slow.
for the second one, that transfer function we have to add now.
Yes, I think that is giving some control. They have not specified any details about it. I am also wondering what is that. That is a value control, I think so. I think that might be a PID control.
Ma'am,
Can you
as per
see?
the manual, it's showing transfer function.
Yes, ma'am. I got, ma'am. I
Yes,
got
transfer
output.
function only that one. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
See, the second Simulink model also people use try and again the same flow rate input and level output you have to show. 4 graphs you have to obtain. for the two block diagrams plus that root locus also you have to do. Root locus and all I have to teach. See the rest also, in case if you are having any doubts, you ask me now. Only 15 more minutes are there.
I can't able to get one graph, ma'am.
Who? Bharadwaja.
Aniket, Aniket.
Aniket is show. Let me see. I think Vivek you got the output now.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Aniket, you present. Let me check out the problem. This is Aniket's screen now.
Yes, ma'am.
Word you
Show.
add, ma'am, is
Yeah,
added.
sure.
Ma'am, his
Okay.
factor is plus plus, ma'am, plus minus.
Yeah, make it negative feedback.
And Aniket, your that step value point 0.000315.
I think that is given in the table or column, some area or something it's given now. Flow rate, maximum flow rate. I think from that only they got that. Let me check out the table. I think 19 liter per minute capability, the tank, that is being converted into that flow rate. In the theory part they have given. I will present. Okay, it's capable of storing 90 liters per minute. Okay, that flow rate is converted into meter cube per second. That is why they gave that value. You got the output, Aniket?
One minute,
Aniket,
ma'am. 1 minute. Power cut, ma'am.
run na.
1 minute.
Let me check. Aniket's problem solved. Before that, Pratyush Mukherjee is showing something.
Ma'am, he is very overexcited.
What Swaraj came today? Pratyush, you finished?
Yes, ma'am, finished.
Aniket, your
But
problem sorted out or not?
ma'am, I am having problem in second one.
Second, what problem you are having?
Ma'am, the
Ma'am, it is
transfer.
getting
Aniket,
like this, ma'am.
Aniket, you got the graph? Okay.
See, ma'am, it
I
is
Ma'am,
getting
saw.
what
like
is
this.
that transfer function, ma'am? What do I have to search
Which one? That
in
root
second?
locus. Vansh, root
Yes,
locus.
root
The
log.
second block diagram you minimize. You know how to minimize a block diagram, no? By applying reduction rules. That you apply it as a transfer function there. This one I will teach you later in some class and I will teach you.
Okay, ma'am.
I think Swaraj got the answer. Swaraj got the answer. Okay, very good. Second block diagram also you try. Second symbolic model also you people try. Anusha, you finished, I think all finished, I am hoping. Anybody else is having any doubt in solving?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then second symbolic model also you finish, no? Okay,
Yes,
let me
ma'am.
press. Okay, let me present screen. Okay, wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Madam, transfer.
Transfer function, that root locus. No, I will tell you. Wait. Second symbolic model over, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, same sort of input and output you got graphs.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very well.
All yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. See, totally four set of graphs you have to do. Two flow rate input and two level rate output. See, that one that I am showing, the second block Simulink model also you try. That is with controller, I think so. PID controller, transfer function, that compensator gain. The details for GLT, level transmitter gain, compensator gain, and the valve control, everything is given. Just you are substituting those values, and for this you obtain the transfer function. Okay, you know how to reduce. These three blocks are connected in series. Gain one, transfer function. You multiply everything, and there is a negative feedback that you reduce. Okay, that will give you transfer function. That transfer function you apply here. Okay, system is equal to transfer function S. Okay, then this syntax you have to use. Are you people understanding? I will tell you how to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait, I will tell you how to do. Okay, I will present, see this diagram that I am showing, no, that one only I will try to reduce. Are you able to see the second Simulink model?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, let me reduce that block diagram, okay? Wait. Live board? Live board, are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that step input is given here, second Simulink. This is a negative feedback. This is gain, 1 now. This is, I think, 0.0001577. And some transfer function is given. Okay, these blocks are connected in series. Okay, so you multiply everything. Okay, then this one is your negative feedback. No, that you reduce. H of S is this one, 26.7x6 is your H of S. This one is your G of S. So you know how to reduce G of S divided by 1 plus G of S into H of S. That way you reduce. One function you will get. No, what is that function that you are getting? 2536.46 into 0.0001577 divided by 124 s plus 1, then 1 plus again 2536.4, same 0.0001577 divided by 124 s plus 1 into that h of s is 26.76. This you reduce. Okay, then you might get a transfer function. Some numerator, what is the order? I think in the top you are getting one constant only. So let this be a constant, okay? Suppose you are having s squared plus s plus 1. Alright, some number if you are having here, 2. Okay, then while giving syntax in MATLAB programming, numerator you give, denominator you give. Okay, so if it is numerator term is what given? If numerator is s squared plus 1, then 1, 0, 1. This is s squared coefficient. S is not there, so this is constant. Denominator, if it is s squared plus 2s plus 1 means, then 1, 2, 1. Like this you give, okay, in syntax. Then you need to obtain the transfer function for it. Okay. So system is equal to TF numerator comma denominator you have to give. Okay, then root locus you have to find. All these things you have to do it as a M file. Coding, root locus, system. That's all. You type it in coding. Okay, I will teach you how to do that. You understood? People, are you there?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You
Yes,
understood
ma'am.
this? This is your third portion, that code. Okay, root locus you have to finish. That will discuss system stability. Then only this experiment is completed actually.
Ma'am,
I
you
will tell
went
you
too
how to
fast,
type.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. But how to give the syntax you have understood? I will stop presenting because there is no time. I'm going fast. Okay. But the second Simulink model you will be able to do, no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Already done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me present from the other screen. Open
Ma'am,
that M file editor window. What?
Ma'am, in
Sohan?
the lab record, simulating diagram section is there. No, in that plant model is there. Plant response is there. Overall system model. Overall system response.
Plant model, two models, no? Two block diagram representations are there. Two plant models you have to do. Okay, two Simulink models. Then four graphs.
And
For the
overall
first one,
system model. Overall system model.
don't care about that thing. One control model, one without control, I think. So that one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right. See, the third one you have to do coding in MATLAB. I'll teach you that one. After that, we can close up this lab class. Okay.
And this second diagram, I'm not getting the graph, ma'am.
Oh, Shalaba. Some silly
Yes,
mistake
ma'am.
only you must have did there. Wait.
And the step value is 10 or something different.
10 if you give means the answer is coming wrong. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, let me teach you that MATLAB syntax. After that, I will check your problem. Okay, Shalaba.
Okay.
The rest also, I'm hoping that you people understood. Come on, tell me from your side whether you understood that Simulink model how to do or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, input is water flow input rate, output is level. Okay, two graphs you have to get for two Simulink models. That's all. Okay. 5 minutes, okay? I will just tell you what is the nature of the coding that you have to. But you understood how I will be reducing the block diagram? That you understood that portion? That second Simulink model, you have to reduce it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you able to see the screen that I am showing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, MATLAB I am opening. Open the MATLAB editor window. In that NUM you give is equal to open the square bracket. I'm finding it difficult to open that MATLAB editor. See, Akshat will be present. I will tell you what to type. I will show rather than waiting for my MATLAB to open.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait. Don't worry. Okay. So this is my editor window. Okay. All are able to see that editor window?
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Okay. The transfer function you get it by reducing the block diagram. Okay. Then you have to type the syntax. It's a 3-point syntax only, very easy. Okay, now I'm typing. Okay, n represents the numerator polynomial. Just a square bracket. All are able to see the typing that I'm doing? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
I'm typing in editor window. Are you not able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's showing.
Okay. So suppose if the numerator polynomial is s squared plus s plus 1. Okay, then the coefficient. Okay, then the coefficients is 1 for s squared, for s and 100. This represents s squared plus s plus 100. Okay, denominator polynomial. Let it be again. Let us see that is s plus 1, then s, then 10. Let us see. Okay. So this is numerator polynomial, denominator polynomial. Next thing is I want to have the system transfer function. So TF like that. Okay. Numerator comma denominator I have to give. Okay. Then R locus. Yes, yes. That's all. Okay. Then I have to save and run. Okay, transfer function you have to derive from the block diagram. Then you have to type these things, you have to obtain one figure, root locus. So 5 figures you have to paste it in the experiment. Alright. So let it open. It will automatically open one more figure. Okay. I think it is asking me to save, so I will save root locus. Okay, some desktop I will save. Somewhere I am saving. Then I have to run as usual. I will get one figure, root locus figure. That's all. That will finish off the experiment because in the experiment title they have given it as a root locus of that level tank. So for that purpose you have to finish the experiment by drawing the root locus. So I am running. I am pressing the run button. One figure will be opening if all the syntax is correct. In case if the syntax is wrong means the error will be popping up in that command window. I think there is no error as of now. So I think again one figure will open. Let us see what figure is open. But you understood how I have given numerator and denominator? It's taking.
No, ma'am. Once
Add to
again.
path. Add to path I am giving.
Ma'am, how you have given that numerator and denominator?
Numerator and denominator. Suppose if numerator is s squared plus s plus 100, then I am just giving the coefficients of s squared, s and 100. That constant. That's all. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Now I am running. Okay, you can see in the command window some things are displayed. Numerator, denominator is showing, but the graph is not yet popping up. Let's check. Like this, you try in your editor window. For me,
Ma'am,
it's
it's
taking a
coming like
long
a
time.
arc.
Yes, yes. Like that only it will come. That root locus, it will have that poles marked as crosses and zeros
Zeros
marked as
mark.
small circles. Okay,
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
all. Some lines will be there. See, this one you are able to see. Yeah, this one that I am locking in blue color in command window.
Yes, ma'am. We can see.
That is your transfer function. The coefficient of s is what? 1. The coefficient of s is 1. The constant is 100. In the denominator, I am having 1, no s squared term, so 0. The coefficient of s is 1 and the constant is 10. Okay, so this is my transfer function for that system. And the root locus should be opening, but it is again taking a long time to open. Let me see. One figure will be automatically opening, but I am not able to get it. Let me check it out when it will be opening. Now you can see, no, one figure is opening. All are able to check it out. Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is the pole and what are the zeros for the system? Minus 10 is my pole. What are the zeros? Again I will show the figure. Like this one graph will open. Okay, only one cross mark is there. This one, this cross mark is located at minus 10. You can check for yourself. That is a pole. Okay, and this
Yes, ma'am.
circle mark is 0.
Circle is the
I think imaginary.
uh,
Imaginary roots you are having?
uh,
Zeros are imaginary?
yeah.
I think
Yes,
zeros
ma'am.
are imaginary. Two zeros are there because in the numerator you are having quadratic polynomial. So two zeros will be there. Only one pole minus 10 located. This graph should open. Okay. This is root locus. This one will be a fifth graph that you have to paste. With this, shall we wind up? All have
Yes, ma'am.
understood, huh? Come on, I want
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
responses from everybody. Then only
yes,
I can
ma'am.
close the meeting.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
See,
Don't follow code.
totally how many
Yes,
Simulink
ma'am.
diagram you have to paste? Simulink model
Five,
2
ma'am.
number.
Simulink 2.
Simulink model 2, how many graphs?
Hmm.
5 graphs. 2 graphs
Five
for
graphs.
flow rate, 2 graphs for level rate, 1 graph for root locus. Okay? Understood? Ah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
those who are still having trouble in finding out some mistake, if you are not able to get the output, you can contact me via WhatsApp. Okay? Sunday, Saturday, you ask me. Okay? Not today or tomorrow. Sunday, Saturday, you ask me. I'll try to sort out the problem. Okay?
Ma'am, one doubt,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Just 1
ma'am.
minute, ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Who is
show the
having the
code
doubt?
one. Ma'am. Code.
Show what? Coda. See, this is not the transfer function. You have to derive the transfer function. Then you substitute. This is not the one. For your
Ma'am,
water level
syntax, ma'am.
system.
Just I want to see the syntax. So,
Okay, syntax I am showing, no?
okay, ma'am. Done.
Anyone else? All dispersed, shall I close the meet?
Ma'am, that second graph, ma'am. Second graph is not coming similar to second simulation,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
How is it coming? See, will you tell me whatever problems you are having, Akshat, via WhatsApp on Saturday?
Okay, ma'am.
Today
Okay,
and
ma'am.
tomorrow I am a little bit busy. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
The rest also, if you are having any doubts in running and getting the output, you
Same doubt, ma'am. Second output.
yeah. Then how is
Ma'am,
it coming
second one
actually?
step is given 10, ma'am.
How is it coming?
Ma'am, it is coming perfect for me.
Downward slope, ma'am. Downward slope is.
Like you have shown earlier, it is coming. Akshat?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, my it is coming perfect, ma'am.
I think
Yes,
level
Yes,
rate,
ma'am.
how
It
much?
is.
This is level rate. Show the output there.
ma'am.
Akshat, stop
Okay.
presenting. Let me present.
I think that is point 2. I think this is for emptying the tank maybe.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, Shardul, you are
I
presenting,
think
right?
one is for emptying the tank and one is for filling the tank maybe.
No,
I'll
ma'am.
check it
Fine
out.
coming,
Okay.
ma'am. It is.
I think the maximum height level is point 0.2 to point 0.8. Second graph you are having point 0.2. Maybe the level height is dropping from maximum value to minimum value. One is for filling and one is for emptying maybe. Okay.
Ma'am, for
Ma'am, both the
for
graph are
both the
similar.
simulated diagrams, step value will be same now.
I don't know.
No,
This is a
second one
taken off
step is
from.
given 10.
I think this is taken off from paper. Okay, so the control system should be different or something. I will check it out. Okay, but this is a procedure that you have to proceed. Okay, I too will simulate and I have to check it out how the output is coming. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, whatever problems you are having, but this is a procedure. Suppose if you are having any problems, first let me run and check out what output I have to get. Then I will tell you. Okay. Okay with all of you.
Okay, ma'am. When we
Okay,
leave,
ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
now, yeah, I think you all can leave.
Okay,
Excuse me,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, I'm not getting second block output.
Will you WhatsApp what is the Simulink diagram you are using and the values that you have given? Second one, I will check it out and I will revert back to you. Aditi.
Okay, ma'am.
But Saturday
अरे
only I will
अक्षत
be
मेरे को पहले वाले का वैल्यूज बताना.
Pratik sir, welcome to lab class at the end.
Ma'am, I am doing everything, ma'am. I can present my screen.
But I have called you from for first 1 hour I have been calling you,
Ma'am,
but you did not respond.
ma'am, initial half there was internet irregularity. That's why
Okay, you tried out,
I could
huh?
not hear you or calling me. Yes, ma'am, I
Okay,
tried
okay.
out.
Okay. So in case if people are having any doubts, you contact me by you send me a WhatsApp message of that screenshot. Okay, I will be sorting out your problem individually. Okay, but I
Now
will be doing
Saturday,
it only Saturday, Sunday. Huh?
Saturday, Sunday only.
Because I am having some work. I have to run the simulation by myself. Then only I
Okay,
will
ma'am.
be able to know what's the problem. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
प्रति ग्रुप में वीडियो डालते हैं हम देख रहे हैं उसमें.
Shall we leave?
What Pratik is having any doubt? You told something you are.
No, ma'am, that experiment 2, ma'am, only. That second
No,
simulation we will
ma'am.
discuss.
I think
We'll clear it.
that's emptying
Yeah,
only. I
ma'am.
will check it out. Wait.
Yes, ma'am, we'll cross check. We are just cross checking only.
Uh,
This one.
the rest, shall we close the meeting? Or you don't want me to close? I think first Simulink model nobody will have any doubt. Second Simulink model I will try. Okay, then I will check out.